In today's video, I'm going to teach you the most common template method in Wrike is duplicating a prepared project or folder. If you're building repeatable workflows in Wrike, the quickest and most reliable approach is to start from a ready-made template. Instead of rebuilding the same structure every time, you'll duplicate a prepared project or folder and get a clean, consistent starting point in seconds. I'll walk you through the process and share practical context so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open Wrike. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and workspace so you have access to your team's templates. If you work across multiple spaces, confirm you're in the one where templates are stored. A stable connection helps the duplication finish smoothly, especially for larger templates. Next, locate the template project or folder you want to reuse. Templates are often kept in a dedicated space or a clearly labeled templates area. If your workspace follows naming conventions, look for consistent prefixes or tags that indicate something is a template. You can also use the search bar to find it quickly by name. Before duplicating, it's a good idea to glance at the template's contents to make sure it includes the structure, tasks, and fields you expect. Remember, in Wrike, a project usually represents a time-bound initiative with outcomes, while a folder is best for organizing work without specific dates. Either one can serve as a template. When you've found the right one, right-click the project or folder name. Do this directly on the title in the left-hand navigation or in the main view. If you're on a trackpad, use a secondary click or the equivalent gesture. Right-clicking the title ensures you open the context menu for that specific item, rather than opening it in the main view by mistake. From the context menu, select Duplicate. Wrike will create a copy of the selected project or folder, mirroring its structure, tasks, subtasks, descriptions, custom fields, and attachments. The duplicate typically appears in the same location as the original, clearly labeled as a copy so you can identify it at a glance. This method preserves your template's framework and saves time while allowing you to customize details later as needed. That's all there is to it. Open Wrike, locate the template, right-click its name, and choose Duplicate. Keep your templates clean and up to date, and you'll standardize work while avoiding setup errors. Thanks for watching, and happy templating in Wrike.